Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we are going to talk about how to wall mount a Desk Pro. If you're new to my channel, remember to hit that subscribe button. If you like today's video, give it a thumbs up. So I just got the wall mount kit in from Cisco. I'll put the part number for this in the description of the video. You can go out to your favorite partner and you can purchase it. And I'm going to show you guys how to assemble it and how to mount your unit. So with that, let's jump in. So this is the bracket. This is what you get in the box when you purchase this thing. It's two pieces, two metal pieces here. This is the part that actually gets attached to the back of the Desk Pro. And then if you're going to be wall mounting it, they also give you the wall mount bracket that you can put on here. So to set this up, what you're going to want to do is, and they give you all the hardware here, they give you 4 of these screws. You put them in each one of the far corners on here. They just kind of screw in like that. And then on the bottom 2, they give you a little bumper. And I'll show you guys in a second what that's used for. But you know that this is the bottom because there's this Velcro strap that's right here, and this is used to actually tie up the cables when they're coming down to give you a little bit of cable management there. They give you a wrench here. You can go in, tighten these down a little bit, torque them down, and that's kind of it. Then this is going to clip into the back, and I'll show you guys that in a second. And then when you're ready to wall mount it, you're going to go ahead, you're going to secure this to your wall, again using the 4 corners there. They do not give you the hardware for that, so you're going to have to figure out whatever you need to use to secure this to your wall. And then once this is on, you're going to go ahead and you're going to slide this part into the unit like that, and it just kind of hangs. And then those rubber bumpers are on the back for a couple reasons: provide spacing to line this up correctly, and to also make sure you don't damage your wall. So I'll take that apart, just kind of show you guys again how easy it is. Just kind of slides together once you have this mounted on the back there. So let's show you guys how to actually attach this. One other thing, so if you aren't going to be using the provided wall bracket from Cisco, and maybe you're going to be using your own bracket on the wall, or maybe an articulating arm, this is fully VESA compliant, so I've got an actual arm here that I was going to use for something else. It lines up right with those holes, so you'd obviously put this on first and then put the screws in over top of it, which you can use your own wall mounting bracket if you wanted to. So let's flip this guy around, and I'll show you guys how to attach this. Flip your Desk Pro around. If you had the table stand on there before, you're going to have to go ahead and you're going to have to rip this off. This just pops off pretty easily. This thing can be a little bit more tricky. There's 2 little releases here. Push those both in together. Should pop down. Sometimes it sticks. If not, just give it a little tug down. And then this back bracket pops off. Then you're going to go ahead and you are going to get this guy here. And it's very similar to the way that the other bracket we just took off works. It's got the little grooves right there that line up like that. Put them in there, pull up a little bit, you hear it kind of click in, and that is it. Now you are ready to wall mount this. Again, get the other bracket, and you're going to go ahead and just lift it up and slide it on. So as you guys can see, that's it. Pretty simple to do, pretty easy to hang these things on a wall. Again, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, post in the comments below. And if there's anything else you want to see around the Desk Pro or anything else out there Cisco related, let me know. Thanks for watching.